Hello, this is Sam, and well, these may just look like regular Bananagram dominoes, or as I call them. I made Bananagrams into dominoes, and so yeah, I'll be knocking them over to see. What does that spell? Youtuberocks. YouTube rocks. See? If you push them, here's what it says. YouTube rocks. What does these say? Thanks for watching. I couldn't get subscribe, so thanks for watching and subscribe. And the last. Yeah? Add me as a friend. Bye.